Hello friends, this is Vedan and today again I'm going to say about mensuration part 2. So let's begin. Perimeter. In this video we're going to see a perimeter. In last video we have seen about introduction to mensuration, length, units of measurement of length and simple closed curve. In this video we're going to see about perimeter. So let's begin. What is perimeter? Yes, boundaries. Perimeter means boundaries. Perimeter means boundaries. Okay. Now, in what to do with these boundaries? What is there in these boundaries? Yes, length. Length is there. Length means not centimeter meter. We find like finding the length or the perimeter is known as sum of the boundaries is known as perimeter, or length of the boundaries is known as perimeter. So let's begin. What is perimeter? The length of the boundary of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. See, you can see only these two problems. These we're going to learn today detailed. Detailedly we're going to learn them. See, they have given in different shapes, right? One is rectangle, one is square, one is sometimes it be triangle. So what to do with these types of figures? We have to find the perimeter. They have said to find the perimeter. So how to do? It's pretty simple. We have to just add the boundaries. Boundaries means this is a boundary. Add the all boundaries. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 5, 32. So this, sorry. So the perimeter will be 32 centimeter for this shape. Okay, for this. This is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. So this will be 22 centimeter. Okay. We have learned about like this shapes. Just add them. There is no formula for like this shapes. You have to just add them. Shapes like triangle, rectangle, square, we're gonna see them in detail. Okay, now perimeter of a rectangle. What is perimeter of a rectangle? How to find? See, in this rectangle, means in every rectangle, the common thing is they have opposite sides or equal. So the length will be equal and the breadth is also equal. So if the length is L, and breadth is O, if the length is L and breadth is O, we know that all the sides, opposite sides are equal. So if length is L and here also this is also length, so we will keep it will be L only. This is also a breadth, so we will keep O only. So to find the perimeter of rectangle, we have to add all the sides. Like I'm going to show you L plus O plus L plus O. So how many times L is repeating and how many times O is repeating? 2 times L is repeating and 2 times O is repeating. So we'll keep 2L plus 2O. So in this, which is common number? Of course 2. Because 2 is common in length and breadth also. So we'll put 2 outside and bracket open L plus O, that is length plus breadth. So this is the common formula we use now. We got this formula by these steps. How we got 2? Because 2 is common. So we kept 2 outside the bracket. So let's look into the perimeter of rectangle. The sum of all the sides of a rectangle is known as its perimeter. Perimeter, that is 2 into length plus breadth. This bracket this bracket shows us the symbol of this bracket shows the multiplication. Same in short form is this formula, 2 into L plus B. So let's find the perimeter for this rectangle plus this rectangle, and we'll see this notice. So let's start for this. Okay, now we know that the rectangle has all opposite sides equal. So of course it will be 5, 5, 3, 3. So the perimeter will be 2, 5 plus 3. Instead of L and B, we put 5 plus 3. That is 2 into 8. That will be 16. So 16 centimeter. I kept centimeter because they have given centimeter. Over here, in length and breadth, they have given centimeter. If they have given like this, inches, we can keep inches only, not like feet or mile. So for this, they have just given only for 2 sides. How can it be that possible to find? We already knew that rectangle has opposite sides equal. So if here 30 means again here 30. If here 15 means again here 15, right? So the perimeter will be 2 into 30 plus 15. That is 2 into 45. That will be 90 inches in the perimeter for this rectangle. So now we have got the idea how to find the perimeter of rectangle. So we'll see more about that. If in some cases, in some problems, they will be given like instead of perimeter, they will be given find the length, and they will say to they will say to find the length, and they will be given perimeter and breadth. So how to do it? I'll show you. Length. For length only, we are going to put p by 2 and minus breadth. P is perimeter. If we divide by 2, if length p is perimeter, if we divide it by 2, and then we have to subtract it from breadth. For breadth, same p by 2. P is length, and put here minus length. P is perimeter and put here minus length. Here for length, opposite is breadth. Breadth opposite is length. That's why P. Okay. Now, perimeter of a square. We know that square has all the sides equal, right? Square has all the sides equal. So if one side is L, so what will be for all the 3 sides? Of course, L only, because all the sides equal. So to find the perimeter, what we are going to do, we are going to again add the sum of the boundary of a square, that is L plus L plus L plus L. Okay, now how many times L is repeating? 4 times. So we are going to keep 4 into L, that is 4L. or we can keep 4 into s. L inside is denote this side of the one side of the square. That is 4s. That is 4s. So to find it, we use this. To find it, we use this formula commonly. These two formulas we use. This formula is very rare. This formula is very rare. So let's start. Square has all four sides equal. So perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Okay, perimeter of a square is 4 into side. We will see after finding these. We will see this note after finding these triangle. These squares. No need of this. This and this. 3 squares we're gonna find. Okay. Find the perimeter. If they have given only 2 sides, so how to find? We know that all the 4 sides are equal. So if here 5 will be, here also 5. If here 5, then here also 5. So find the perimeter. So how to find? We're gonna multiply 4 by this side into with this side, right? So if side is 5, then we are gonna multiply 5 into 4. That is 20. So 20 centimeter is the answer for the first square. Okay, for this they have already given 8 feet, 8 feet, 8 feet, 8 feet. So to find what we're gonna do, we have to find the perimeter, we have to multiply into 4 with this side, right? If side is 8, then 4 into 8. That is 32 feet. That is 32 feet. And for this, same like first square, they have given only 2 sides. We know that all the sides are equal. If here 15, then again here is also 15. Here 15, then here also 15. So to find the perimeter, we have to multiply into 4 with this side. So if side is 15, then 15 into 4. That is 60. 60. If here centimeter is given and here centimeter also, here centimeter also, here centimeter also, we keep centimeter as a unit like feet, inches, kilometer, meter there. Then we are going to put the same sign. Put the same sign what they have given in the side. Okay, next. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all the sides of a triangle. All the sides of a triangle is equal. Like this figure is given. See, all the sides are equal. It doesn't become. There are two more types of triangles. That is scalene, and isosceles. But we're not gonna find perimeters for them. We're going to just find for the first triangle, which is equilateral triangle. So let's start. We know that all the 3 sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. So if one side is L, so what will be for these 2 sides? Of course it will be L only, right? Because all these 3 sides are equal. So to find the perimeter, again we have to add L plus L plus L. That is, how many times L is repeating? 3 times. So 3 into L, 3L. This one is the common, and one more common is 3 into S. that is 3s. S and L denote this one side of the triangle. Denote the one side of a triangle. So these two are common and this is the rare one. This L plus L plus L is the rare one. So we found how to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle. So let's see some examples. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Each side of an equilateral triangle is equal. Each side of an equilateral triangle is equal. So perimeter will be 3 into length of a triangle of a 3 into length of a side of a triangle. That is in short term 3 into L. So here also they have given one formula, that is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. That is the perimeter of a triangle. This no, this no, this no. Only these two triangles we are going to find because those are other Scaline and isosceles triangle. So let's find for this triangle. So if one side is 8, then all the sides will be 8 only. So to find the perimeter, what to do? 3 into 8, that is 24 centimeter. So for this triangle, if one side is 20, then other side will be also 20. So the perimeter will be 20 into 3, right? Or 3 into 20. Order changes. If order changes, the answer won't change. That is 60. 60 meters. If they have given centimeter, you can put centimeter only. If they have given meter, put meter. Other like kilometer, decimeter, you can put the sign which is given in the three sides of a triangle. Thank you friends. I hope that you enjoyed my video. If you want some changes in my explanation, you can comment me in the comment box and I will truly change my explanation as you want. And please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.